one denied it. So as a Muslim now, what should I do? I think number one, as we see any injustice or haram or unlawful, internally I have to reject it. That's number one. That's what Allah is going to ask me. Yes, maybe I can do literally physically things, but I have my heart. مَنْ رَأَى مِنْكُمْ مُنْكَرًا, the famous hadith. You know it, Shaykh. Whoever see something injustice or something not accepted by Allah, what should we do? Right? 3 steps. Change it with your hand. You can't with your tongue. You can't with your heart. So number one, we as Muslims in general, regardless of the color of our skin or origin, is we should not accept this. And this should be in our discussion in the home, with the children, with the family, in my workplace, that I don't accept this. It's not because he is this or he is that. If this was a Muslim, I would have responded the same. That's how it should be. Then I am a person who really, really appreciate the most valuable thing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us, and that's life. The 5 things Islam came to protect, number one is life. So here I am, as a Muslim, I should absolutely not accept. Number 2, and you alluded to it, and I loved it. Allah has seen this, and Allah allowed it to happen. And we always have to remember this. And I said this is the same when we went through the COVID. And there is a hikmah, there's a wisdom. And Allah is al-adl, Allah is the just. I'm not seeing it. It's very hard to see. But that's where my iman and faith comes in. And I need to turn to Allah and says, Ya Allah, show me the wisdom in this. Show me what you want me to do. And absolutely the least I can do as a Muslim is a dua. Ya Allah, bring justice to your earth. The least I can do. And guide those who are going out in the streets, out of frustration. And I can easily feel it, right? Guide them to do the right thing.